Hi everyone, I'm Paul Martins, Area Sales Manager at Simatech, and today we're going to talk about elevator lubrication with simalube. This is a very interesting application. Why? Because it can be found in our daily lives. Shopping malls, hospitals, airports, you name it. They will all have an elevator that needs to be lubricated. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about our application. If you over lubricate it, it's going to get smelly, dirty, and it's going to overheat. On the other hand, if you under lubricate, well, you're going to have squeaky noises, excessive wear and tear, and that will lead to breaking of components. Thanks to the continuous distribution of lubricant, there is no need to have a container to scoop the excess oil at the base of the elevator guide. This is especially useful for outside elevators or panoramic elevators, the ones made of glass. Another advantage of our simalube system is that it can be set up to a year, meaning there is no need to manually lubricate any component, meaning you and your team have more free time to actually do some maintenance work that brings more value to the team. Another advantage as well is that the components will be lubricated the whole year, meaning there will be much less downtime. How much is that worth? In an elevator lubrication, we can actually apply the simalube in 3 different points. First, the diverter pulley, basically substituting the grease nipple for a simalube. Second, the guide rail. As you can see on this bigger image, we can lubricate with our special brush, and we will not only lubricate it, leaving a very thin layer of lubricant, but also clean the guide rail, all automatically. Finally, the steel rope. The steel rope with, again, our specialized brush will be lubricated with a very special cable care product, making it resistant to rust, humidity, friction, and temperature. For more information about elevator lubrication, go to our website, simatech.com, where you can download our specialized brochure and many others. And please don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button.